Ni arutani a University ya Kenyatta makirurungana gatagati ka maundu mangi maria maratuma marurungane ni gukorwo marenda kamiti ya university ino ebunjwo na thibitari ya university ino irugamirirwo ni cukuru ucio.
Turenda kungihoteka na kungigerio na ihenya ura kwahoteka kanju iria ikuo ebunjwo nigetha ikorwo iri non partisan na ikorwo itari biased kuthura substantive vice chancellor.
Mwandiki wa kiama kia aruti a wira thiini wa university ino augite matiakuruhanirio mibango-ini ni kamiti iria yariho kabere.
The current members of the council, except for those representing the ministries of finance and education, should not, and we stress, should not be considered for appointment in the reconstituted council due to mismanagement of leadership transition and partisanship among others.
Riu marenda munene wa watho Githumo Igai ekire kirore na etikire kwamurwo weru kwa vice chancellor o hamwe na guthondeka kanju iria ikurugamirira thibitari. Na kwa mwena wa Narok University ya Masai Mara arutwo ni marorunganite magiteta iguru ria guikario kwa marihi ma arutani ao. Vice Chancellor wa University no Professor Mary Walingo augite gitumi gia gucerithiria mishara ya arutani ni wagi wa mubango mwega wa university no.
The town campus, for as long as you can pay, that's the only condition, and you qualify. You are on throughout 3 semesters in a year.
We pay to read for 3 months, but actually we are reading for almost a half a month. We are not getting our rights as students, and they were really painful.
Ona kuri uguo arutani na arutwo ao meritwo ni magucokereria mihango-ini yao ya mathomo. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wangeci wa Kagure.